MAESTRIA is a European H2020 project which is dedicated to create digital medicine. MAESTRIA aim is to create the first digital platform for atrial fibrillation and stroke, which are two worldwide major health issues in many countries. So the main objective of this project is to integrate all the data that have been generated for the past 20 years in the field of atrial cardiomyopathy, atrial fibrillation and stroke, and to use this data to develop tools, diagnostic tools for new biomarkers to help clinicians for decision and clinical care of patients with a high risk of AF or stroke. This project involves 18 partners. Most of them are academic from all around Europe, but also from Canada and the United States. There are also several industrial partners, a big one with Siemens and small industry, especially in the frame of electrocardiogram recordings or artificial intelligence.
The collaboration between the public structure and the private industry is carried out in MAESTRIA by the MAESTRIA Data Hub and the MAESTRIA platform. For Idoven, the benefits are the network created in this MAESTRIA consortium, in which a new collaboration, new works are going to be developed to provide new research and obtain new treatments for the patients in the clinical practice.
So in this consortium, we will be in collaboration with the APHP Saint-Antoine Hospital that will be responsible to acquire the echocardiography. So the collaboration is really beneficial because on one hand we are obviously not cardiologists or specialists of heart disease, and by collaborating with the Hôpital Saint-Antoine and echocardiographics, we will better understand the disease and also the data so that we can use at their full potential or artificial intelligence tool.
MAESTRIA is following two previous European networks on this subject of the atrial fibrillation and what we call now the atrial cardiomyopathy. And so this project now is a sort of maturation of all this research, and we reach a stage where now we need to be all together to develop tools in order to develop new biomarkers of this disease for what we can call precision medicines of the risk of atrial fibrillation and stroke.
The MAESTRIA project requires data transfer between 18 partners in 7 different countries. Student-mized data will be collected by sponsors and transferred to data users, who in turn will share the analysis data with the rest of the consortium.
MAESTRIA is organized in work package. One important work package will be to build a platform, a digital platform that can be accessible by clinicians in Europe. And so the aim of this research work package is somehow to feed this platform to make these biomarkers more accurate, more efficient to identify risk patients for AF and stroke.
Excellence.
Challenge.
I would choose connectedness.
Innovation, because here we are really using cutting-edge technology to solve this disease.
I will say personalized medicine and prevention, which I think are, in this case, but in other disease, a major issue for the next years to be able to identify risk patients much earlier during the process.
MAESTRIA is a great example of bringing all different people together, industry and academic partners, to become better connected and better able to treat patients and provide personalised treatments.